selfie place now.
Is this recording?
I'll show you, yes.
Oh no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Ellie and I do lifestyle and motherhood videos. Today we will be doing a clean and organized video, which will be my bathroom. This should be really interesting. I'm not only going to be changing stuff like the curtains and some decor, but I will be changing the mirror that I'm facing right now. And I'm also going to be organizing this whole section just because I feel like it became a place where we just threw stuff there now. I will be changing all that. So I decided that I'm going to start cleaning this side first. So I am going to probably clean that mirror and then put it in like a safe spot, just because when we end up moving out, that's probably what's going to go back up. Since I purchased a different mirror while I'm living here, I want to be using something that I actually enjoy looking myself into. This is how it looks. See, there's a reason why I want to change this, because it has these kind of things and I don't know, I don't like that. So I'm first going to be clearing out everything that I have here, just because I don't want it to get sprayed on. I have the package right here. I'm going to grab a box cutter and just open it and see if it actually fits. OMG, this looks cute.
Well, it does look pretty nice.
So let's take this off and put the other mirror on here. Looks so nice, guys. Let me show you. It looks cute. Selfie place now. Take two. Look, this is how the mirror ends up looking. I thought this didn't have a bulb, and it does. It's right here. I was like, what? This whole time, I could have been having more light. So that's how the mirror looks. Now I'm just gonna clean this whole thing right now. I'll show you guys how it turns out. So I finished completing this side of the bathroom, the top area of course. So let me show you guys now how it looks. This is the new mirror versus the other one. I added a little plant just for decor. Toothbrushes, trying to keep it minimal in here, and then definitely going to replace that bottle. So moving on now, we're going to fix this whole section, which is honestly, I'm dreading it, but we'll start with the bottom side just because I feel like even though it may not look like it, it is more organized. So this is all things that I'm going to organize right there, and then right here, these two But over here is pretty much like baby blankets that I got from the hospital, which I will be folding and then I guess putting like in the laundry room. And then there's this machine thing that I got for my teeth, this toothbrush thing that I'm gonna be throwing out because it's just the box now. And then that's the actual curtain I'm gonna be putting up, and then just organize these in a like nicer way, and then make sure that everything that's in here is put back in its place. So on this one, I decided just to put like the miscellaneous things that I have. So mine will be on the right, and then Daniel's are on the left. And then this is all like my skincare products that I use for the morning, including the coconut oil. But since I didn't have room for it in there, I decided to put it here. So that's how that turned out. So that's what I'm putting here so far. We'll see as I like clean the other sections what goes down there. Now we're gonna move on to this side. This is how this turned out. I feel like I'm gonna stay with it like this. I need to buy like something to like keep that together. So then the top side, I decided to put all the cleaning products back there to the right, and then back there are the medicine, like the medicines that we have. And to cover that, I decided to get this like good day / good night sign. It turns, and the other side says good night. And then this is the one that I use for mopping and yeah, pretty much cleaning. And then up here, I actually just keep all the clean, like toilet paper, hand towels. We actually use that, so that's why it's there. And this should actually be at the bottom. That's how that stays for now. I'm gonna be changing this, and then after that, I'll just fix this side, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of decor up there. video for my bathroom. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I gave you some inspiration so you guys can go and clean your bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.